Speaker sir, I rise to speak on the demands listed before the day. Most importantly, municipal administration. Speaker sir, जायते आमचे colleagueनी already उलेले आसा with regards to the municipal administration demands. बाब दिगंबर कामत, बाब दाजी सालकर, बाब निलेश कब्राल, बाकीच्यांनी सुद्धा तेंच्यांनी आपले valuable inputs दिलेले आसा. Most importantly with regards to octroi. So हांव तेजेर परत तेजेर उलोवंक सोदिना. But most importantly, like I said, octroi is a long pending demand of all the municipalities across the state. And म्हाका खबर आसा की बाब विश्वजीत राणे is the Minister for Urban Development and तेकाय वाळपय मतदारसंघा भितर municipality लागता. So he knows the difficulties that each and every municipality faces across the state. Like my colleagues rightfully said, if 50 crores provision is made for each municipality, if and however it can be made with the help of the Chief Minister, then that will be the biggest relief to each and every municipality across the state. Speaker sir, with regards to the labours, आमकां खबर आहा की प्रत्येक municipality भितर 12 ते 15 वर्सां भितर लेबर थंय काम करता, डेली वेज वर्कर. तेंचे रेग्युलरायझेशनाचे बद्दल मंत्र्यांनी उत्तर दिवचें. Speaker sir, we know that the municipalities across the state have over time developed, over time transformed. We have seen the progress of our state from the early 1990s to today, 2024. आणि जशें आमी फुडें सोदता, आमकां दिसपाक आयलें की प्रत्येक मुन्सिपालिटीन पयलीं एक 10 वॉर्ड आसले, 10चे 12 जाले, 12चे 15 जाले, 15चे 20 जाले, 20चे 25 जाले. पूण तेंचे सँक्शन स्टाफ जे आसा तशेंच आहा. So whatever staff was sanctioned in the early 90s or the late 90s, the municipalities are carrying on with the same staff. So माझे मागणें आहा ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरा कडेन की तेणें हेजेर मातशें लक्ष घालून to ensure that each and every municipality has a sanctioned staff which is relevant to today's date and today's time. Karan, there are 4 junior engineers who have to take care of 20 to 25 wards. I'm speaking about Mapsa Municipal Council, and half of them are having double charge, having charge in 2 or more municipalities. So it is difficult for them to manage, difficult for them to do any sort of work in any municipality. Speaker sir, there are staff that have been promoted over time. There are staff that are promoted based on number of years in service. I do not want to discriminate anyone, but some of them do not have the capacity and ability to manage the kind of work that is required for the said promoted position. So I am magne kotta Honorable Minister to try and see what amendments we can make to the reforms of the promotions as well as the new recruitment. Also, if powers can be given to the municipality to start their own recruitment, or there should be a centralized recruitment which can be taken up to ensure all the vacant posts are filled. Speaker sir, amka khabar ki Mapsa is the capital of Bardez and having a very, very important commercial market. It has been in place since the late 1950s, close to 1960. It has started pre-liberation, and the market is as it is since its inception. There have been a couple of new blocks, but most of it still continues the same. If there can be any provision that can be made to ensure that the market is upgraded to today's needs. We have recently done underground cabling in the market, but Makadista, there is a lot of requirement for other allied facilities to ensure that public satisfaction is at its peak. आमकां खबर आहा की हो सरकार जो आसा की लोकांचो सरकार जावन आसा, पूण खंय तरी म्हाका दिसता म्हापसा बाजाराचेर ऑनरेबल मंत्रीचो मातशें लक्ष जाय पडटलें. I would request him if he could make a trip to Mapsa post-assembly sessions to figure out a way to ensure that we can work around the issues pertaining to the market. Speaker sir, I would like to also mention regarding, with regards to TCP, my colleague Michael Lobo mentioned about additional roads around the city to ensure that we stop over-congesting the main city center of Mapsa, whether it is ring roads or bypass roads. I think in the ODPs there have been roads proposed in the past, if some of them can be planned to ensure that we can decongest the city. Speaker sir, with regards to women and child, आमकां खबर आहा की जायते जाणांनी सांगलेलें आसा, there are a lot of cases pending for the last couple of years. We can see that the girls that have applied for the Ladli Lakshmi scheme are still awaiting for their sanction. If the Honorable Minister can give us an assurance that relief will be given to these people that have gotten married in the year 2021 and later. Thank you, Speaker sir.